Now I want to share and export my whiteboard. I can do that in a bunch of different ways. So when it's all ready to go, I select share, and I can either add people if I wanted to. Again, I can change the access to OCDSB, have the copy link. I can give them, let's say, just view access, and I can copy that link. I can also download it. There is no specific file type for these whiteboards, so you'll need to download it as an image depending on what you're looking for. You can see I got a bunch of different options. If it had video, I can change it into a video. All these different options, really cool to use. I can also add it to Google Classroom if I needed to, and I can choose the class, choose the action. If I select go, then it'll look like Google Classroom right here, and you'll see the link available, and I can just add in all my extras. The other really cool option is that if you were sending it out to parents or to the public and you wanted them to be able to see it without editing access, you can create what they call a public view link, which is located right here. If I select that, create a public view link, now all I have to do is the link is created, copy it, and if I was to paste it in a new tab, this is what it would look like to a viewer that does not have Canva or just want to see it in presentation view. So they'll notice that they have a bunch of pages on here, but they won't be able to do anything with that whiteboard, but they could see everything on here and still access all the media. You can see the video playing over there. So really handy to have depending on what you're trying to create and what you're trying to do with your whiteboard. So that's everything. Now we've created the public view link. I just want to say thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this, and happy creating.